Well, that half barrel there had a leak in it, and you know, about most of the water drained out, and about the top 2 or 3 inches began to sprout out. That's why it's important to keep the seeds below about a couple inches below the water line. If you really are having problems with vermin of any type, the best thing to do is put it in a closed container. That's what I normally do, is put it in a closed container of some kind until it gases off. Once it gases off, you pour out all the liquid and you leave it in there. Make sure that once you pour off the liquid, usually put paper, newspaper, or cardboard boxes on top of it, kind of like you would a worm bin, so that the black soldier flies can come in underneath that paper, lay their eggs, and then fly off and go live the rest of their incredibly short lives. But it takes a while to get it started, but it always starts with this. But that's how you prevent pests from getting to it. Just put something on top of it, put other things on top of it, weigh it down. That works well for me.